In this lesson, we have the phrasal verb carry something out. As you know well, carry something out has objects, and because of that, this phrasal verb is transitive. If the object of this phrasal verb is an idea or a plan, then it means to fulfill something or to accomplish something. For example, she was angry because she couldn't carry her idea out. In this example sentence, we mean that she couldn't fulfill her idea or put it in action. If the object is an experiment or a research, then it means to do something. For instance, scientists need to carry a lot of experiments out to trust their findings. The object of carry something out can also be a duty or a commitment or a promise. And if that is so, then carry something out means to keep a promise or to be faithful to a commitment or a duty. And this is the example. Soldiers are strongly asked to carry their duty out to defend their own countries. The past form of carry something out is carried something out. Also, the past participle form is carried something out, and the third person singular form is carries something out. Now, you're going to learn a new and nice idiom, which is be living on borrowed time. What comes to your mind when you hear this idiom? Is it possible to borrow time from someone? Who borrows time? And who is living on borrowed time? Someone who is living on borrowed time is a person who has escaped a serious or vital threat. For example, someone who has defeated a vital disease to continue their lives is someone who is living on borrowed time. So, be living on borrowed time means to be able to be alive or to have a second chance to continue living after escaping a life-threatening danger. Now, pay attention to an example. After that horrible accident, he is living on borrowed time. In this example, we talk about someone who survived a bad car accident. Logically, horrible accidents kill people, and someone who survives them is living on borrowed time or is given another chance to appreciate life. Our today's proverb is a burnt child dreads the fire. This proverb can be applied to situations where we want to talk about a person who is afraid of something or fears something because of a bad or dangerous experience in the past. For example, someone who has the experience of electrocution might be unwilling to work with electrical devices. Or someone who has previously failed to carry out a plan could be afraid of trying to follow that plan anymore because of that past experience of failure. So, this proverb, "a burned child dreads the fire," can be applied to people who are afraid of facing their bad or horrible or failed experiences again. Now pay attention to an example. She can't get along with dogs after being bitten by one. A burned child dreads the fire. Here, in this example, we talk about a person who is afraid of dogs because she has the experience of being bitten by a dog. So this proverb can be applied to this person when she is about to face a dog again. After getting familiar with this proverb, let's conclude our today's lesson. Now, you share your memories in comments about someone who is living on borrowed time or a burned child who dreads the fire.